Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Chicky here, and today we're making this crazy delicious deep fried chicken wings. These chicken wings are not just finger licking good but extremely popular among kids, adults, and indeed makes the perfect finger food for any occasion. So without further ado, let's get on with the recipe. To start off, you'll need chicken wings. Here I'm using 12 pieces of chicken wings. You guys feel free to go with any number of wings, doesn't necessarily have to be 12. With the help of a sharp knife, make little cuts all over the chicken wings. Doing so helps the marinade to sip right into the chicken to make it juicy. Once done, go grab your seasonings. Here I'm keeping it real simple because both my niece, they're not really into spices, and since I'm making it entirely for them, I'm only going to use roasted garlic, salt, and soy sauce for the seasoning. Once you're done adding the seasonings, give it a good mix and let it marinate for about 3 hours or even longer than that if you're not in haste like I am. Next, in another bowl, add the measured amount of all-purpose flour, cornflour, salt, and roasted garlic. Then get your chicken wings and start coating it with the flour mixture. Also, unlike many other recipes which calls for 2-step breading process, out here all I'm going to do is coat it with the seasoned flour and they're ready to be fried. Once all the wings are well coated, heat 500 ml of vegetable oil and start frying. When you throw in the chicken wings, please make sure to not overcrowd the pan, because when you do that, it lowers the temperature of the oil and instead of crispy wings, you'll just end up with the soggy ones. So yeah, do it in batches. Well, once it turns deep golden in color, drain the chicken and serve immediately with your favorite sauce or seasonings. Trust me guys, these chicken wings are as good as those served at restaurants, and it only takes about 20 to 30 minutes, keeping aside the marination time. Having said that, please try it out this weekend and let me know how it turned out in the comments below.